Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A1 3-door Sport. The car's got the daytime running lights along with the front lower fog lights with the chrome surrounds. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, we have the 17-inch multi-spoke design alloy wheels. At the rear of the vehicle, the car's got the single polished chrome exhaust. This is an Audi user approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. At the front of the vehicle, the car has the electronic front windows with heated exterior mirrors, front sport seats finished in black, 3-spoke multifunctional leather steering wheel, and also Audi's MMR display with DAB radio. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A1, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.